I asked AI earlier, I needed to produce some sort of content. Claude AI, what content to produce, and they said just do the exercises quicker. This is the PDF that I made. So you go ahead, it's in the description. 5 quick workouts for busy professionals, where I go through all the low resistance, low level, basic exercise just to put you in that mood. But there's no excuses during work time. Yeah, hopefully this is useful for someone. When I was talking to Claude AI what video content to do, it was literally telling me to do recipes and cooking. It's Christmas right now, and that's the last thing I want to start doing. A lesson to be learned from here. I had coffee, woke up, did the notes. And yeah, ever since yesterday, done a few notes. And this morning when I woke up, more notes. I don't think I've used this journal for content creation for a while. My full out book to make sure everything's fun. But it's an example, ever since switching to main sport, a bit more productive. And I'll show probably some video content on how I edit the video with CapCut, how I brainstorm, because I was answering so about 100 squats, 100 push-ups. Took about 20 minutes, maybe half an hour because I was positioning the cameras.